Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a cube in a cube pattern on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into the video. So you guys really liked my other video for cube in a cube pattern, and this is just an updated one because my other video didn't turn out as well. Even though it got a lot of views, it didn't turn out as well. So this is just an updated version for that video. So to do this, your cube needs to be in a solved state just like this. And the way that you do it first is you need to use the 3x3 layer turns like this, and then you do this algorithm which is on the screen. And then it will make a cube in a cube pattern for the top right front layer. So it'll look like a cube in a cube pattern for 3x3. And then what we need to do is we need to make this other layer a cube in a cube pattern. And that's the same algorithm that I used in my patterns for 3x3 video that I came out with a couple months ago. Then what you do is you do that same algorithm just as if it were a 2x2. So imagine this is a 2x2, and then you do the same algorithm. So it goes like this. And then that will make a cube in a cube pattern for 4x4. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you learn how to solve the cube in a cube pattern on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. If you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe, and also make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. I have a whole playlist on just patterns, so make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.